Nuts make a healthy snack and a great garnish, but they're so tricky to chop with a knife. The cute but capable Nut Zoom makes this prep job fast and fun. To use, open the Nut Zoom from the top tab here, then fill with your favorite nut. Snap close this little door and roll. You can see the Zoom chops nuts in seconds. The more you roll, the finer your chop. Now to remove the nuts, open from the bottom tab here. Next, you'll want to carefully grab the finger holds on either side of the blades and remove. Now you can empty the Zoom easily. When you're done, place both pieces of the Nut Zoom on the top rack of your dishwasher for easy clean.
Selfies, we love them. But no matter how hard you try, they just don't quite come out right. And who can live without the GPS in the car? You can never reach it when that important turn comes around. Trying to prop up your phone for hands-free driving is almost impossible. Until now, meet NanoHold. Nano suction for your mobile device, smartphones, and tablets. NanoHold looks simple, but with nano suction technology, NanoHold material has millions of microscopic suction cups. NanoHold sticks without being sticky, so you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces. Taking group photos with your phone can be as easy as a simple stick by using NanoHold with your phone. Now everyone can get in the picture. In the car, NanoHold makes any phone hands-free. Feels safe to chat with friends. Just stick and go wherever the road may lead you. Getting ready on the go is always a challenge. But with the nano-suction technology, NanoHold gives you an extra hand when you need it. Make it easy to give your recipe a look while you're trying to cook. Work on your car hands-free while still being able to see. Have easy access and never lose your phone in the piles on your desk again. NanoHold adds a new dimension to your smart devices. With revolutionary nano-suction technology, you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces, leaving you hands-free. The ultra-slim profile of NanoHold doesn't change the size of your phone, so it will still fit in your pocket or the side pockets of your purse. NanoHold, the nano-suction for your mobile device that will make the people in your life smile. NanoHold, simple and easy to use for your smartphone and tablet. Get your NanoHold today.